Yo, what's going on, everybody? So today is Monday, and what do we really see? Let's just go on the 15-minute probably actually. We're pushing up. Made this new week opening gap. We just swept out London highs. We're inside of this daily order block on the on the high time frame, and there are a lot of sell side or buy side targets that ES could likely take out first up here, whereas NQ is more lagging. But we did form that little market structure shift after we took out sell side right here. The market pretty much reversed entirely. Um, but price could end up getting some sort of rejection down to this 4 hour fair value gap. Um, Seen as it is in a well, it's near a new week opening gap, so based on Sunday's price action. So I don't know. Tuesday we could end up pushing down. Tuesday, I'm actually full porting my fucking account, so yeah. So there's not really a reason to do too much, you know? Tuesday, I'm full porting my account because if you go to Apex Trading, November, okay. Okay. Let's go to active subscriptions. Yeah, renewal date is November 12th, so tomorrow I'm going to be canceling it because I'm not paying $83 to do that. I'm just gonna buy a new fucking account. So yeah. It's been a month I've been on the account though, which is good. I think that's the longest I've been on an account itself. Um, so let's go to Tradeovate. Pretty good. Yeah, I'm still down from the original, but whatever. $300 or 500. But we'll see if we can snatch a trade up. I'm thinking price could end up tapping some sort of 4 hour tap. There's also this body though. ES might make a SMT at that buy side right there. Then I could possibly take a trade lower to this fair value gap, or just this sell side right here, or this order block. I mean, who knows? It's just we're inside this huge daily candle, so it's like I'm expecting price to possibly give some sort of push down. Um, but of course that can only happen once price reacts off a level. But yeah, I'll probably update you guys with what happens. Yeah. Yo. So I ended up taking this small trade just up to this 4 hour order block open, as I feel like that's the next draw. We're just pushing bullish. And of course, ES has his buy side liquidity as the draw. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm expecting the price go up to. Only 4 cons, so like 200 and something something, 260. Take profit. 200 stop loss. So really pretty small trade. I mean, yeah, it's not really anything crazy, but whatever. It's a trade nonetheless. So since it's Friday, let me see this. Since it's Friday or Monday, I mean, price likes to just go in the same fucking direction. So if we lose this, then whatever. But to me, price, we rejected off 10 a.m. key open. So unless we just fucking go ahead and make a market structure shift here, then yeah. But then I'll just switch my draw, and who gives a fuck. I only have one more day to fucking pass this account, and I'm gonna start maybe just trying to find good setups and risking high on them, just because I can't just keep being in fucking evals my whole life, right? Gotta at least try. Uh, but yeah, so the way you pass an eval is definitely not the way you get money consistently, right? Yeah, at least from my experience. So, but yeah, we'll see if this plays out. It's not looking too bad. Um, ES is again indicating price to go lower, so we have to just see. Don't do that on my bed. Oh, God, my dog is so annoying. But I'll update whatever. All right, well, you can see price is starting to displace down, which is kind of insane because, I mean, the moment I take a long trade, we're starting to displace down. But I mean, my confluence was bearish anyways, so you know. But I don't know. I'm gonna wait till the 15-minute closes probably. Uh, looks like price just wants to fuck us up and go down, so it's kind of like whatever. I guess I'll just take my stop loss this low. Down pretty much a lot, and we probably will blow our account today. um, I mean, who knows? Did form that market structure shift. We'll see. Probably just gonna go down now, I guess, which kind of sucks, but or whatever. SMT right here. Equal highs formed on ES, so that's a decent confluence. probably just continue going up after some sort of retrace. We'll just have to see. Or I'll just get fucking stopped right here, and yeah, we're fucked. Which we likely will be. See on the 15, or in that 15-minute fair value gap. A minute 40 left. We'll have to see. Probably just let the trade play out, I guess. I mean, there's not really much we can do. Yeah, there's really not much we can do. Just gotta let ourselves get stopped. Possibly enter a short after. Which just sucks because, like, I was planning on taking shorts, but then price. Yeah, I should have just fucking been patient. Whatever. That's a bit frustrating. But, whatever. Literally can't do anything about this stuff. I'm gonna set my stop at least that low to see if we can possibly respect, but you know, probably not. I mean, we are likely cooked with this one, boys. Yup, it's done. It's quite annoying. Quite fucking annoying, guys. There we go, and we're getting stopped right here. Or we can find maybe short possibility. Oops. Oops. What the fuck are you doing? Holy shit. I mean, yeah, it's just tapped into some sort of fair value gap, so could end up being saved here. But I doubt it. Yeah, we're likely just retracing up to then go down. But who knows? Small 2-minute fair value gap we could be tapping into, possibly. I'm not too sure. My fucking cats are so just on some shit, bro. Be my little baby. I want to exit out. I just want price to maybe reach up into some sort of gap. Yeah, it doesn't look like it.
Order filled.
I'm gonna exit right there. Yep, there we go. We're fucking solid, boys. We just tapped that order block too. I mean, this fair value gap is beautiful. The target, which kind of sucks, man. Oh, that actually sucks, man. That's what I get for being impatient. Oh, so annoying, dude. That is so fucking annoying. Genuinely. Also, you have this 1 hour as well. I mean, fuck, dude. This is kind of fucking crazy. Fuck me. If anything, I'll take a trade off of this little order block, but like, you know, what am I supposed to do, man? Damn it, like I knew it. Fucking knew this, man, and I still fucked up. Oh, that's so frustrating. I know what I'm supposed to do, but I take a long for what, man? I hate that, bro. Oh, that's so annoying. That's actually so frustrating, man. I had a beautiful setup right here, man. What the fuck? God, that's like terribly frustrating, dude. Oh my god, that actually hurts my head, man. That's so fucked. Oh, that's actually so fucking annoying, bro. God, that's so fucking annoying, man. When you literally know what the fuck you're doing, bro. And yet you still fuck up because you're impatient for no reason, bro. The fuck am I doing? Oh my god, I literally want to fucking kill myself. God, bro, I'm literally so fucking frustrated right now. I'm actually so frustrated right now, bro, just because of this shit. This is actually making me so annoyed. fucking need to see some sort of retracement, dude. What the fuck is wrong with me, man? Oh my god, what an easy setup too. With the 15-minute order block right there, man. Easy tap up into the body. Stop loss here. Take profit. Even if I wanted to go for a 1 to fucking 1, bro. Like, fuck, dude. So fucking annoying, man. Fucking. Oh, so fucking annoying, man. I can't believe that shit. What the fuck? Hello. Holy mother of Lord. You guys see what's happening here. We push all the way down. ES took London lows. NQ did not. We are getting a retracement right before sweeping London lows. Okay, off of this little fair value gap. And price did push its way down. I'm looking at the very 1 minute. We left a gap on the 1 minute, which is clear and close to equilibrium of the range. But if price forms a CISD below here, I'm taking a trade. I don't care. Yep. Okay, I'm taking it. I'm taking it. If we close below, and I gotta take a fart because price is just way too close to London for this to not be going down. Yeah, I'm taking it.
Order filled.
Selling. I'm selling. London low right there. The thing is, oh, we're so close to that gap though, man. Fuck! Like, I don't know, man. If I fuck this up, then it's just my fault. It's honestly just my fault. Because I'm not patient enough and I'm clearly doing something wrong. So, yeah. It's my fault if I lose this trade. Like 1,000,000% it's my fault. No, this is supposed to be a buy stop. Fuck. Because I'm shorting, bro. Golly. Anyway, why am I not just looking at a... Dude, like, I'm going crazy, bro. I actually am going crazy. I'm going fucking insane. But look, we're tapping close to that order block, so... I'm just thinking price is going to go down here. I don't think we can reach more of a fucking... whatever you call it, man. Tapping that order block. Price isn't always reaching to equilibrium. Especially before taking a high time frame target liquidity. And we have this new week opening gap, so yes, it's targeting this new week opening gap clearly. So is NQ, technically, but it's more unclear. Now price should be going down now to London. Let's wait until this 5 minute closes, maybe. I have to update you guys. I might scale into the position. That's why I'm gonna update you guys. Okay, before I do my face cam reveal, not reveal, but talk about what happened today, I want to go through the trade which I actually took. So you can see here price pushed down into this 1 hour, respecting it. Wix did not take out London low, but on ES we did. So this gave me a SMT, right, to push up. But our push up, of course, based on the high time frame draw, is going to be somewhere in equilibrium of this range, right, or in that direction. So I'm trying to scout out a trade in between equilibrium of this fair value gap. But price usually, when very close to a target, such as London lows, does not retrace completely to equilibrium. So I'm looking at order blocks. What do I see? On the 1 hour, we get this little order block right here that price could tap into. On the 15 minute, we actually already do tap into this little order block, which is right before the expansion move higher at market open, right? So we tap into the one on the 15 minute, but on the 1 hour, we do edge. After we do this, we then see displacement downwards, and I enter the trade on the 1 minute around here, where we respect this fair value gap, but then we take out sell side again, giving me confidence that price is going to go down. Since if we were to go up off of this rejection and this sweep of liquidity, we would probably continue pushing up, but we didn't do that. Price instead respected this fair value gap, bearish, to then push down. So I enter, and then I set my stop loss here. And though there's a gap here on the 1 minute, there's no gap on the higher time frame, so gaps like these can be left alone. My stop loss is set right above this gap, but then I trail it down to this high. Now why this high? Because this is the high that edges the hourly order block and taps into that 15-minute order block, okay? And I continue to scale into my trade as I see retracement. So price pushes down, forms a CISD. The 5 minute forms one on this little candle. So we go on this candle. You see this is that move down. We push up, I enter another short here. We keep pushing down, and we push up again. I enter another little short here, as I know price is respecting this fair value gap. To then push down. Then over here, I'm thinking, oh, we could reverse, we could edge, right? But then boom, price pushes down, sweeps out this sell side and London low. Now we could probably have a retracement. I do believe the draw is still lower to this 4 hour order fair value gap. So maybe in the lunch session we consolidate. I'm thinking a little bit of consolidation. We probably take out all these highs of low resistance liquidity, tapping into equilibrium of this range that was newly formed. Seeing as there's still an SMT here, as you can see. Actually, no, there's not. I'm stupid. So we push back up, right? We could tap into some 5-minute PD raise, 15-minute, stuff like that. Maybe you take out sell side, or we could just go straight down to target. Or, if anything, we could just consolidate for the rest of the day, which is sometimes what price wants to do. But right now I'm done with the trade. I will come back to give my final notes on what I was feeling. You were feeling unfaithful during this. You were feeling mad at the beginning. You didn't take the right trade. And I need to talk about that, okay? Hello! I want to talk a little bit to myself about this day that just happened, okay? Today was Monday. Today was Monday. You knew what you were going to do already, Gabriel. You knew exactly what you were going to do already. You came into the market. You understood that price wanted to push down because we were inside. Let's go in the 15-minute. We were inside this daily order block, right? As well as this new week opening gap, which I do believe this is an old one. So that will not be most necessary. But anyways, what do you do? What do you do at market open? You're patient. You're doing good. You're being patient. You're waiting for a structure shift down. But price continues to go up. You see, price continues to respect bullish structure and the fair value gaps and continue pushing up. So what do? You say, oh, I'm going to get lazy. I'm going to be lazy. And instead of waiting, I'm going to take a long. And that's what you did, Gabriel. You took a long at this high right there. You took a long. And what happened? This is for your notes. This is for your true like weekly video refresher that you should watch, okay? You
You are taking this trade long in a counter trend when you know price wants to go down. The moment I took that trade, price started to go down and I got stopped. I was stopped down, lost $250. But what did I do? I got really anxious. I got really mad at myself. I told myself, hey, I need to win. I need to win. And I felt so bad inside. I didn't know how to control it, and I prayed. I had to pray to get it released because I needed something to help me. And I smoked some shit, and I smoked weed. And I wanted to masturbate too, to pornography, because I had lost a trade. You can't do that when you lose a trade. You need to man up, take it to the gut, take that shit to the gut, and see what happens. And what happened? Price pushed down. Oh my God, price is sweeping liquidity. ES already took London low with this low. But what happened? NQ didn't. So what did you do? You figured out, oh my God, I need to take a trade. I could take one down to London low. And I took one, edging this 1 hour order block, which is a 1 hour order block, tapping into this 15-minute order block, which would have been the trade up here if you didn't take it. This would have been a beautiful trade. But then what happened? Price retraces, doesn't tap the 1 hour, but tax this little 5-minute fair value gap. The first 5-minute fair value gap it takes does not reach into equilibrium, right? Takes out London low, which is the trade. You keep adding on, which is smart because you know the draw is London low. You know it's going to go to hit London low unless it edges it, unless it makes equal highs. Fuck. But then what? Then what happens? Price is not pushing up. Why is it pushing up? Now, there's two reasons. We could be going up to this equal buy side, which does look like what NQ wants to do, or ES. We created this equal buy side, but we needed a reaction off a high time frame level, which is liquidity in London low, to then go up and take that, right? And what happens after that? Are we going to keep pushing to this 4 hour order block open? We could. And then what could happen? We could go down, completely down to this 4 hour. You gotta do the ping pong method. Ping pong. Once price taps any high confluence PD array, like this order block daily, you want to expect a reaction. So why are you trying to take a long when you're doing this? And why are you getting mad about it too? Bro, look at me, bro. You were so mad and you wanted to die. You didn't want to die, but you said you wanted to die. You said you hated your life. You said you hated everything because you lost a trade. Who cares if you lose a fucking trade, Gabriel? Think of the bigger picture, man. Take the good setups. Take those good setups, please. That's all I gotta say. Take those good fucking setups, man. This is gonna be at the end of the video of the what I'm about to upload. But dude, you were so fucked up, and now you're fine. And when you take a win, praise yourself, man. Be confident. Be happy you took a win. I'm happy. I took a win. I actually won today. I'm fucking ecstatic, bro. You know? Because I know what was happening in the market. Even in a loss, I knew what the market was doing. The market's always going someplace on the higher time frame. On this lower time frame, what do you see? Oh, I don't know. It might go up to here. It might go up there. But then what? You don't know what the fuck the market's gonna do. But on the higher time frame, what do you see? We see this order block. We see this fair value gap. Oh my God! And look, this is a fair value gap. The first 4 hour. I didn't even mark this out. Remember to mark out your confluences, but even the smallest fair value gap, this 4 hour. All of them play a part. All of them play a part. Literally. This tiny one as well. That's a 1 hour. Go down to the 1 hour. What do you see? This 1 hour is a 4 hour. They're aligned. This 1 hour here. Always look at these, because this is where price retraces to. Okay? And what are we going to do next? We're likely pushing up to this 4 hour fair value gap. On the daily, what are we doing? We could likely push and go up into this daily fair value gap. And then what? We could retrace back down to this new week. Or we could do that when we tap this 4-hour. Always go off the ping pong method. Always go off the higher time frame. And you got it. You know everything that's gonna happen. You got it. You're doing good, bro. Just keep at it. You're fucking good. Don't fucking quit. Don't fucking quit. I'm sick of you quitting, Gabe. God is with you. Just pray to him. Stay faithful to him and he'll help you. He will help you. Do not turn your back on God again. Do not turn your back on Christ. Thank you.